Sites are up and running. Each of them should be able to vaccinate up to 2,500 people a day. Counties are also thinking big. Clay County has picked out a mass vaccination site. KCTV5's Emily Rittman is live from that spot near I-35 and Pleasant Valley Road. So Emily, what is stopping them right now from getting started?
Ellen, vaccine supply is the largest obstacle for every county in our region, including Clay County. Health officials here say they are still likely a couple weeks away from finalizing logistics to be able to offer vaccines at a Clay County warehouse. Health officials announced they secured a large warehouse that can provide plenty of room to allow for social distancing while vaccinating thousands of people.
Our goal is hopefully in the next week or two to be able to set up this mass vaccination site in the Northland and start opening up with the priority groups for especially the elderly folks and move on. So I'm really excited about that.
Liberty Hospital's chief medical officer says they have not yet set a start date for when the mass vaccination site will open.
We're talking about starting at least with 1,000 and ramping up quickly to 2,000, and as you know, 2,000 a day. But as you know, it's all dependent on the vaccine supply.
Yep, you bet.
The site that we've secured is almost 400,000 square foot, so you can distance them 60 feet from each other.
Health officials say no matter where you live, it's important to monitor your local health department's website to learn when your particular group may be able to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. They recommend completing any surveys or forms offered by your health department.
We think we can vaccinate about 10,000 people a week, and I think that'll be our start. We know Wyandotte County has multiple mass vaccination sites. We know Johnson County has a mass vaccination site. And then again, I think there'll be an opportunity through Walgreens and CVS to be vaccinated in the long run. So at least that's what we're hearing, and I think there'll be lots of choices out there, so stay tuned and stay in touch.
Emily Rittman, KCTV5 News.
A new administration is now in charge of distributing shots across the country. So what changes can we expect? We asked local doctors.
I think we're going to see a greater emphasis on the distribution network for vaccines and use potentially of other federal powers for ramping up production even further. So I think things are going to change. What I don't know yet is exactly what that means.
Dr. Steit says that we should know more in the next 48 hours. He also gave credit to the Trump administration for their role in Operation Warp Speed. He called the vaccine's speedy development a, quote, smashing success.